So for enjoyment, we would go to the Yiddish theater, the Second Avenue Theater. I think on a weekly basis or bi-weekly basis. It was a lot of fun. We saw movies. It was broken down. You saw, I forgot which way it went, but you saw a Yiddish film. I mean, a real old-time Yiddish film. And then there was a break, and then there were these vendors who sold ice cream and I don't know what they sold, whatever they sold, it was all in Yiddish. Ice cream, wer will that ice cream? Wie viel kostet das? Atula, because everyone spoke Yiddish and the kids spoke Yiddish. It was like just you sitting here is like just commonplace. This is the way it was.